Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is ZED. If you don't know me now, you know me, okay? Do we have this together? Today, I'm actually going to just be doing a quick little tutorial because I just thought it'd be interesting to do this. Here's what we're going to be doing, okay? I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do this block animation that you see in like 2D Mario games because I have not seen anything like this on YouTube, at least the right way. I'm just going to do it because, I don't know, why not? So, I'm going to make this block in this animation. I'm going to shrink it down a little bit. So, you take this block and we're going to move it this one over here. This is the brown block. Then we're going to take my dot logo. We're going to overlap this. Whatever you putting inside the block, you're going to put it behind. So you're going to shrink it down to size. Once you shrink it down to size, you're going to hide it behind this block until you're ready to change it. What I usually do after this animation, you're going to push this and I'm going to take it about, let's just say about right here. And what you're going to do is then you're going to put wherever that section is, you're going to put the brown block over here. So I'm going to take this section right here. I've split it down the middle right at this section because we are then going to go to effects. Make sure you have the right one, by the way. This is the yellow block. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit directional blur and put it right here. Now when you're at directional blur, you're going to add the blur length to, let's say, about this, to where it just looks a little faded. Direction, you can change the direction if you want, but this is what I'm going to do right here. Now I'm going to shorten the animation just a bit and make sure that also this transitions to the brown block. But that's not all we're going to do because why not? So what I'm going to do next is for this block, we're going to move the block in a different section. So what we're going to do is I'm going to change the position of the block and it'll go from here. And if we move down to about right here, it's going to move up ever so slightly like that. So then when you do it, it's going to move up. And we're going to shorten it just a bit more. It's just kind of the basic animation. And if you want to go and do a little bit more, you'll go from whatever position that the yellow block was at and you'll just move it down. But you don't have to. Now for the next part, which is the logo. After it gets hit, the item will come out. We're going to do position and make sure to hit the blue clock whenever you do position, by the way. You'll move up the logo like this and it will transition. And I'm going to move out the animation just a bit. Next thing you'll do is you'll select both of the points on the effect controls right here. You'll do a temporal interpolation and you'll do ease in and then ease out. Scroll down on this menu over here on motion. And what you'll do is we'll get a little closer here. You'll move these two anchor points to the middle and this is what it will do. Now obviously, you know, if you really want it to be more, I guess, believable or more Mario-like, what you can do is you can take this point and you'll stretch it out. And this is what it will look like. And like I said, you can keep stretching it until you don't want to stretch it anymore. Now you've got the block animation and it looks fantastic. That's all you have to do. So that is the tutorial, everyone. I just thought it would be random to do this, but I thought it would be interesting. So if you guys liked the video, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. I got lots of stuff on my channel. And frankly, you know, I think that you'd enjoy it a lot. I really do think you'd enjoy it. And also, I got a couple of animations like this in a couple of my videos. It's called Reznor and Lotto Reznor. One of them's like a remix. The other one is like a beat version of a Mario beat. But, you know, if you guys want to go check those out, be sure to do that. And as always, guys, stay creative. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!